Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to share a quick little tip on how to remove these damn clips from an amplifier. These type of clips, which has a hole in the middle, and they're easy to come out. You just place something like this Allen key and pry them out. Yeah. So what happens when you have no hole on these clips? Alright, so here's what I came up with. Nice needle nose. Grab it on one corner, and all you have to do is just pry it up and then out. Just give it a little twist and they'll come right out. Just like that. So I got one side out. There we have it. Make it even. Top of both of them. Lay it there. Get your little tamper right there in that corner. One nice hit, sets it, and then one more locks it into place. Beautiful. Let me clean off this, some residue on here. Okay. Make sure that this little piece here is here. Okay. Beautiful. Last one. See. Yeah. There we have it. That is how you do it.